Good afternoon.
Good afternoon.
What are we doing today, Dr. Science?
We're testing if this floats, and and then if it doesn't float, we're testing if it floats with the skin peeled off.
Wow. What are we going to test it floating in?
Water with 3/4 filled.
Has that bowl got water in it now? Can you fill it up?
Fill it up. Does that look like 3/4 full? Let's test. It is floating.
Is it?
My hand can go under, so
Yeah. Definite floating.
let's see if it will float with the skin peeled. Yummy.
Dr. Science, how does that orange smell?
Like a fizzy lollipop.
Yum.
There we go. Let's see if it floats. It sinks.
Interesting.
That's definitely sinking. Wonder if this floats. This floats. Floats. The even smaller part. I think it's just the skin that floats.
But the skin makes the orange float.
Yeah.
What if you put the skin back on?
Let's see if it has a boat. No, it just falls over. Let's see if it will use these. Pull it up.
Alright, Dr. Science, what did we learn today?
That oranges do the orange skin floats and all the orange inside doesn't.
And what did you learn today, Dr. Science?
That this, and not this.
What's that?
That this is the skin that floats, so it's I think it's the material it's made out of, probably, and I think it's the material this is made out of, the orange too, that makes it sink.
Do you think one's lighter and one's heavier?
Yeah.
Okay. Interesting.
Bye bye.